Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some leaks for future updates in Car Dealership Tycoon. Let's go on with the first leak. It's about the Season 13. The car over there seems like the Batmobile. As Foxy said, it's coming on October 5th and it might be the best season reward for either 6,000 to 7,000 trophies. Next up, it's another collab. There seems to be an obby too. Another free fake Corvette coming LOL. Next one. And I was right about the Batmobile. One last leak before my prediction. Obviously, it'll be the Mercedes-Benz 190 Evo E. And sadly, it will be a fake model. Anyways, now time for my prediction. As we know, last year's Halloween, we had a limited shop, and Paganis, Bugattis and others might be remodeled when they're coming back on shop. For example, the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, or Pagani Codalunga, even the Pagani Imola, and hopefully Foxy will stop inflation of the .LIMITEDS prices. Anyways, it's all from me. For now, have a great day everyone.